Hello and welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous 420 diesel coupe we're having. 2018 68 reg, still under manufacturer's warranty up until the 29th of November this year. It's a little bit of peace of mind. It's a one owner vehicle from brand new, covered just 20,000 miles with a full BMW service history. Really well presented car. We've added some additional styling upgrades which I'll talk you through, as well as giving you a walk around to help you understand the condition and spec of the vehicle. So it's a facelift 420 diesel coupe, 2-door, 2-litre, 8-speed automatic paddle shift. It's the facelift model, so it has the darker LED headlights to the front. We fitted the gloss black twin slack kidney grills, the 3-piece gloss front splitter, these absolutely stunning M4 style bi-colour 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres, all fitted and balanced, ready to go. Privacy glass on the rear, upgraded mirror caps as you see there, gloss black sidebars, M-Performance decals. Really well presented car. It's the first one that we've had to be fitted with a high kick rear spoiler. Looks really good. Gloss black rear diffuser, twin tailpipes, front and rear parking sensors. This one is currently badged. If you prefer a D-badge, please ask. LED tail lights, original mats in the boot, and split folding rear seats. Generous room in the boot as well. Black sapphire metallic is the colour, so it looks really nice with the body styling kit. I do particularly like these wheels. Very well presented, as you'll see on the interior as well. Black Dakota leather with the blue stitching. You can see the kick plates, the sill plates still have the plastic vinyl wrap as it comes from new. Just shows you how well it's been looked after. Carbon effect interior trim, again factory option, automatic headlights and paddle shift as I mentioned, cruise control and speed limit, multifunction steering wheel. Take a look in the back. ISOFIX 2 seats in the back with a rear centre armrest. Professional widescreen navigation. This is the facelift model, which is touchscreen. Let's take a look at the service history for you. Next engine oil service in 13,000, rear brakes in 28 and 35,000 miles till the front brakes are due, just to give you an idea of what's due in terms of upcoming maintenance. Service history wise, pre-delivery check, first service, second one just done around about less than 100 miles ago in August, so the car is ready to go. MOT isn't due as it's not 3 years old, 2 keys present, and it's a one owner vehicle from brand new. HP and PCP is available. We've got a current campaign of 6.9 APR for cars less than 3 years old, so this ticks that box. You can apply on our website, quote yourself, give us a call, text, WhatsApp, whatever you like. Thank you very much. Thank you.